Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see your Gmail password if you forgot it. So if you're using Android or iPhone, just go ahead to your primary settings. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to scroll a little bit down till you find the password. Let me just search for it. As you can see right here, this is the password. And basically what's going to happen, you're going to see right here your old passwords inside the settings. Okay, so you're gonna search for Gmail, right? So what's gonna happen, you're gonna see right here your accounts on Gmail, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to your specific email and just go ahead. Let's have an example, this one. And basically you're gonna click on the password, and then you're gonna see the password that you sometimes forgot. Okay, you're gonna copy it and paste it onto your social media. Let's find out the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.